Now I would the stage. Please join us on the stage, everybody. All the team members as well. Come on. Come on, come on. Kunal, Mrunal. We need you on the stage as well. Ma'am, please. Sonali, ma'am. We're gonna copy you. And, okay, we could do something together. Ma'am, please be in the center. Dharmendra sir, you should initiate one step. Huh? Huh? Okay. Ma'am, please be in the center as well. Please, come on. And all the crew members, come on. हम तब तक फिर से नहीं प्ले करेंगे जब तक जोरदार तालियां ना हो जाए. Everybody, can we have a big round of applause? Thank you. Can we play the anthem again? Dharmendra sir, are you ready? Sir, are you ready? Come on.
What a fantastic anthem. It's got me all enthused and I'm so excited. Looking forward to it. We better win the trophy now. इतना सब गाने के बाद में we better win it.
We will. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, everyone. We are very delighted to have you all here, and it is a wonderful moment for us. Thank you for being a part of our jersey launch as well as anthem. Thank you so much.
I will give it. वो रैकेट वो ना उनको एक
Here, I'll be asking a question. From all the budding people who are coming up and for encouraging the entire community on tennis. So my question is, how did you think about tennis as a sport to promote, and does it have any story behind it? Does it resonate with some kind of
Well,
event?
Kunal was coaching my son who had started playing, and for me, sports was very important. I think it builds character in children, keeps them away from devices. Nothing like physical activity in children, nothing like playing a sport to give you that kind of discipline. Having said that, my son did move on from the sport. He was trying out, and I like the fact that he kept trying different sports. But I had a wonderful coach in Kunal, and it was a wonderful relationship, I would say. So when Kunal called up and he said that this is what is happening, and could you lend your voice to it? I was very happy to do that because as a mother and as a parent, it was very important for me that parents understand that sports are important. It's not just the academics. It's not just sitting in front of a device. They need to get out. They need to play. It builds the muscle. It's good for health. It's good for mental health also. So it was a very important message that I wanted to get across. So it started off from there. I remember when we started, it was at the Andheri Club. Yeah, Celebrations Club that we started. It was a small group of people, but the group was small, but the energy and the ideas were very big. And I have seen this league grow and grow, and I'm really hoping that I don't think it has reached its full potential yet. I'm sure they will reach there. And now we have owners like Dharmendra ji also on board, who are so passionate about the game. He plays the game himself, so is totally clued in and passionate about it. So with these kind of people joining in, I think it really enhances the league. And so I wish the league all the best, but of course, my first wishes are for my team, which is Lucknow Blazers.
एंड वन क्वेश्चन इन हिंदी लखनऊ ब्लेजर्स के लिए आप क्या बोलना चाहेंगे कि आपका एसोसिएशन किस तरीके से जुड़ा और अब आगे जाकर और शुरुआत कैसे हुई?
लखनऊ ब्लेजर्स के बारे में मैं धर्मेंद्र जी से को कहूँगी कि वो बात करें. इतना ही कहूँगी कि ये इस साल से ये टीम नहीं है लखनऊ ब्लेजर्स, और मैं चाहती हूँ कि ये साल पहला साल है लखनऊ ब्लेजर्स का, लेकिन ये साल लखनऊ ब्लेजर्स कुछ कमाल करे. और मुझे ये भी कहना चाहूँगी कि आई विश कि ये ऐसी टीम हो जो उत्तर प्रदेश में बच्चों को इनकरेज करे, उन्हें एक गस्टो दे कि हम भी खेलें, हम इस स्पोर्ट को फॉलो करें, इसको सीखें. एंड नॉट जस्ट दिस स्पोर्ट बट अंडरस्टैंड दैट स्पोर्ट्स इज इम्पॉर्टेंट. I think Dharmendra ji will fill us in more about Lucknow Blazers.
लखनऊ के लिए स्पेशल एज वी ऑल नो कि लखनऊ यूपी जो है सबसे पॉपुलर सिटी है, पॉपुलर स्टेट है अपने इंडिया में, और टैलेंट इतना है, मतलब टियर 1 टियर 2 गांव तक बहुत टैलेंट है. हमारा जो लखनऊ ब्लेजर का जो पर्पस है वो है कि छुपे हुए टैलेंट को बाहर लेके आना. उसके लिए हम अभी रिसेंटली हमने एक नोएडा में टूर्नामेंट भी किया, और अभी अक्टूबर के अंदर भी हमारा किया के साथ और टीपीएल के साथ एक टूर्नामेंट प्लान्ड है, जिसमें कि हम टैलेंट को ढूंढेंगे, लेके आएंगे उनको. जो डिप्राइव्ड हैं उनको हम सपोर्ट करेंगे, और चाहते हैं कि जो टैलेंट है बेसिकली वो नेशनल और इंटरनेशनल लेवल पे हमें चाहिए. और जो ये अभी फ़िलहाल टेनिस जो कहीं छुपा हुआ है वो हमें बाहर लेके आना है. और बिना आप लोगों के, मीडिया एज अ फोर्थ पिलर ऑफ द कंट्री, तो हमारा एक बेसिकली स्लोगन है टेनिस हर घर घर तक. तो ये हमें लेके जाना है, और विदाउट यू इट इज़ नॉट पॉसिबल.
किसी को अगर आपसे जुड़ना है, आप उसके पास टैलेंट है, तो आपको किस तरीके से कांटेक्ट करें?
We are available on social media, so there are so many methods they can approach us. Thank you.
Actually, that was my question. What are your initiatives for the grassroots level? Hi, my name is Savita. I'm with Savvy World Media, and I'm a mom to a Gen Z kid. I started with Celebration Club. We started with the swimming and then moved to basketball, football, and tennis. Because we are at Four Bungalows, where we have a very good tennis court too. So kudos to you. I think you are inspiring, Sonali, to a lot of moms out here, because it's not just health and wellness. You like.
I feel that even if I have not played the sport,
Yeah.
I definitely understand the beauty of the hand and eye coordination.
Absolutely.
And I think somebody on the stage mentioned it, hand and eye coordination is not just with the cricket bat, it's with the tennis racket also.
Because that's
And
what we start
should,
with, you
yes,
know, when-
exactly. And we should appreciate that, and like kind of, like Dharmendra ji said, let's shine a little light on this sport also.
Great. So tennis is anyways as presence, I think it's going to be a good journey ahead.
Also, what you asked about the initiatives. So, when he mentions that, for deprived children, there'll be support. So, a football is a different kind of a sport. You need a ball, and tennis does require certain amount of investment. Is that right? Can I say it that way? So, there are a lot of times when a child can be very talented, but that family, the parents could say that, listen, but we can't do this. And the child's dream might just remain. So here one is trying that if we can support those dreams where there is talent, but if they cannot have let's help them and bring that
True.
talent out.
Very
That's
true.
the
And
idea.
what age group are we looking at for this?
This is 10 to 16, more or
10
less.
to 16. Great. Thank you so much and
Thank
all
you.
the best.
Thank you.
Marathon is something that we getting Kia on board was the biggest, I think, achievement and basically things that you are doing in tennis other than cricket, that you are getting brands on board. How difficult is to get on brands on board, and what is the main thing that you did to get Kia? That is something that we would like to.
So basically, Kia has not come on board just for the Tennis Premier League. Like we mentioned earlier, Kia has come on board to grow the sport. And with the league, it's not just a 7-day event that we do. We have 320 academies affiliated with the Tennis Premier League as of today. And these academies come from different parts of the country. Tier 1, Tier 2, like Dharmender ji said, there's a lot of talent in Tier 2 cities. So last year we conducted around 320-30 tournaments. And this year our aim is to conduct 600 tournaments. So it is not only the league, but the entire ecosystem that we are building around tennis is what Kia has come on board for. And with Kia, we have several other initiatives that are planned, like tennis camps. We've got a nutritionist on board who will be doing online sessions for all the players of our country. And not many people in India understand, but to become a champion, you just don't need tennis. You need a complete team, which includes a physiotherapist, which includes a sports nutritionist, which includes a sports psychologist. So we recently tied up with all these teams who will be helping players free of cost, who will be helping doing online sessions and during the camps, educating people in what is required to become a champion. And that's the reason our initiative is called Race to Gold. Like we all know, there might be Olympics happening in India in 2036, and we want India to win a medal in tennis. So this is the vision that Kia has come on board for. And I think Manal can also add.
I think the ultimate goal is not just 8 teams battling out for a trophy, but the 8 teams have united to grow the sport. Because if the sport wins, ultimately we are going to get a champion for the country. So the vision, I definitely feel all the team owners have, all the athletes have, all the sponsors have, is that TPL together can grow the sport and get that one champion which we are eyeing at the Olympics. And we want people to pick up career. We want people to pick up tennis, and that's the ultimate goal. The sport grows, the league grows, we travel.
Hi Sonali, my question is to you. I'm from Bolly Pitara. So any specific reason why you chose tennis as a sport to be associated with?
Kunal. I got a call from Kunal, and it was a great opportunity, and I took it on. And like I said, it spoke to me because as a mother, I knew the importance of children playing a sport and the discipline that it gives them. I'm repeating myself, but it is the fact. You have to play a sport to understand what discipline is, and it's a vital part of a child's holistic growth. And so for me, that was the push to lend my name to it.
Do you personally play tennis also?
I don't.
You don't? Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Also, just would want to add that Dr. Vijay Shah has been playing tennis from last 25 years. Yeah. Yes, so he's been playing on court from last 25 years every morning. So I think a lot of people didn't know about it, but he's a regular tennis person going on court every day.
Thank you everybody.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, members of the media. There's lunch arranged.